For a lot of the drilling I use a drill press like this. This one has a custom table with a clamp system. For drilling standard holes in steel, I would typically use something like this. These are twist bits, and they have a gold color because they have a titanium nitride coating that helps prevent corrosion and increases longevity. I need to cut a series of 5/16 inch holes in this piece of metal here, and so I've loaded up a movable vise and clamped the work into the vise, which is mounted to the drill press. I've installed a pilot bit, and you want to make sure that everything is squared up and ready to go before you drill. So I've measured and marked the location of the hole, and then I use the center punch to set a little divot point exactly where I want the drill to go. So the idea is you want the very tip of the drill bit to seat in that divot. I set the drill speed at 2500 RPM, and you want to make sure everything's locked in, and add a little bit of oil for lubrication. So now that I have my pilot holes drilled, I can lower the vise and install my 5/16 drill bit. Again, I'm going to use a little bit of oil for lubrication and a drilling speed of 870 RPM. I'm going to enlarge these two outer holes, and it already has a 5/16 inch hole. This is 1/8 inch steel, and I'm going to enlarge these holes. I'm using a corded drill with an extra handle on it for the added torque. So I'm doing it in 2 steps. This hole is a little bit larger than the existing one. And then I'll use a larger drill to get this up to 1/2 inch. And for that I'm going to use this hammer drill set on the drill setting, not the hammer setting. And I've installed a 1/2 inch drill bit. It's designed for cutting steel and has a titanium nitride coating. First I dab a little oil on here. That helps cool the tip. This is 1/8 inch steel, so even though I'm enlarging this hole, it takes quite a bit of torque and force. So that's why I'm using this heavy-duty corded drill. Now I'm going to come back with this countersink on a portable drill just to take off the rough edges. I'm mounting a piece of 3/4 inch Delrin to this steel chassis. The Delrin has a hole already in it, so I'm going to be using this portable electric impact wrench. And the bit is very specialized. It has a drill bit mounted in a sleeve, and the sleeve is spring-loaded, so it slides back to reveal the bit. And what it does is it centers the drill bit inside a larger hole. So now that I have the hole centered inside this larger hole, I can use the appropriate drill bit. In this case, for a 1/4-20 tap, this is a .201. These are step drills, also known as unibits, and they could be used to drill a variety of different size holes. What's great about these is they have several different steps, and depending on what size hole you need, you just push to that level. I'm going to drill this with a hand drill at medium speed.